Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin with the fastest, most reliable path, wired USB. Use a data-capable cable and plug it in. Once connected, unlock the phone and immediately choose File Transfer or Media Transfer Protocol. This tells the phone why the PC is talking. On Windows, install drivers when prompted so the system recognizes the device. On Mac, open Android File Transfer. These steps grant permission and mount storage, so you can move files, backup photos, or access app folders without delay. Once wired is covered, you can switch to wireless for convenience. For quick tiny files, use Bluetooth pairing, confirm the PIN on both devices, and accept transfers. For larger work, put both devices on the same Wi-Fi network and run an FTP, SMB, or AirDroid session. Start the server on the phone and connect from the PC. Make sure to grant storage permissions. If you need developer-level control, enable USB debugging, and optionally use ADB over Wi-Fi to push and pull files securely. To finish, verify the files opened on the computer. Do not delete originals until you confirm integrity. If using USB, eject the phone or stop the Active Transfer app before unplugging to avoid corruption. Make sure permissions are still granted for continued access. If something goes wrong, try a different data cable, switch the phone's USB mode to file transfer again, or reboot both devices. These quick checks resolve most problems, so you can resume transfers with minimal downtime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.